Recording. All right. I just finished designing these safety box cutting knives, and let's have a look at how they work and print one. Let's go. There are 5 3D printed parts and the blade. The goal is to keep your fingers safe while opening or cutting boxes. This is accomplished with a built-in spring. It retracts the blade as soon as you're done with the cut. Of course, you can also keep your thumb on and then let go when finished. The spring makes it fun to use, and the back snaps in with a satisfying click. Here's how to build it. Slide the spring into the back, going under and in. Slide the blade sled into the back and connect the spring by using this slot to push it up and into position. Now comes the blade. Insert the sharp edge first, then push the top all the way in. Attach the blade lock and close it as tight as you can. Now just slide the whole thing into the sleeve, and there you go. Please replace the spring if you notice these edges not lining up flush or this window not fully opening. It means your blade isn't fully retracted. For more detailed information, check out my assembly instructions. Print these in whatever color combination you would like. Thank you for supporting me. Have a fantastic day.